Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone and welcome to the second part of episode 1 of Mastering the Arabic Alphabet and Pronunciation. In the first part, we have covered the aspect of pronunciation of the first phonetic case Fatha with the first 5 letters. Today, in this part, we will cover the aspect of writing for the same first 5 letters. Alif, Hamza, Ba, Ta, Tha. Okay, here is our checklist for what we can learn today. First, we will take a look at 3 major characteristics of the Arabic alphabet and writing system. Second, we will learn the various shapes of each of these letters as in independent, initial, medial, and final positions. Third, we will cover the rules of connection between letters. We will get some writing practice by connecting letters. Keep on watching. First of all, let's take a look at these 3 major characteristics of the Arabic alphabet and writing system. Number 1, Arabic is written from right to left. So all books, magazines, and newspapers open and are read from right to left. Number 2, letters are connected in both print and handwriting. These are individual letters which are written one after the other in correct order, but still do not form a word yet. But when they are connected, they do spell a word, al-bab, the door. And notice that not all the letters in this word connect to the following letter. This is a characteristic of some of these letters. And we will learn these rules as we learn to write each letter. Number 3, the Arabic writing system is regularly phonetic, which means that words are generally written as they are pronounced. So learn to recognize and pronounce the sounds correctly. Now, not only will you avoid spelling problems, but you will also learn and memorize vocabulary more easily. Now, let's move to the writing section and start with the first letter, Alif. This is the various shapes of the letter Alif in the independent, initial, medial, and final positions, as you see from right to left. The Alif is written as a single stroke drawn from top to bottom. Okay, there are 2 simple rules for connecting Alif with another letter. Rule 1, when the Alif follows another letter, it's written from the bottom up. The previous letter will end in a connecting segment drawn on the line. Start with that segment, then draw the Alif from the bottom up. Rule 2, the Alif doesn't connect what follows it. So after writing the Alif, pick your pen up from the page and start the next letter. For Hamza, the shape of the Hamza is like a small C shape that continues into a line on the bottom. Here are some characteristics of Hamza. At the beginning of a word, it's often written an Alif or the Alif alone may be represented. When it occurs in the middle of a word, it may be written on any one of the long vowels like this, Alif, Waw, Ya. And we will learn these other spellings of Hamza later. When Hamza occurs at the end of a word, it's usually written on the line without a seed, in which case it is somewhat larger in size. For Ba, Ta, and Tha, unlike Alif, Ba, Ta, and Tha are connecting letters, which means that they connect to the letter following them when they occur at the beginning or in the middle of a word. This is the various shapes of the letters Ba, Ta, Tha, represent in the independent, initial, medial, and final positions. Notice that the only difference between these letters is the place and the number of dots, and they are the same in the main letter body. For the independent and final position, first, write the body from right to left. Begin with a small hook, then continue straight along the line and end with another hook. After we have finished the body, we will put 1 dot underneath for Ba, and 2 dots above for Ta, and 3 dots above for Tha. For initial position, when they are followed by another letter, they connect to that letter by dropping the final hook. And after we have finished the body, we will put 1 dot underneath for Ba and 2 dots above for Ta and 3 dots above for th. For medial position, the connecting segment of the previous letter connects into the hook at the beginning of these letters like this. And as usual, after we have finished the body, we will put 1 dot underneath for ba and 2 dots above for ta and 3 dots above for tha. Now, let's get some writing practice by connecting letters together in these 3 exercises. I will let you try first. That's it for episode 1, guys, and if there was at least one simple thing you have learned watching this episode, make sure to hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to leave a comment and share the video. Salam.